y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life and Backyard Farm. So y'all, in this video we're about to make some chitterlings. Yes, your girl gonna have some chitlins. Now I would say anything in moderation, okay y'all? So it's the end of the year and I want to have some chitlins, okay? Because I don't eat this and I haven't had this in a while. I don't eat this often and all that type of stuff. So I bought the pre-cooked chitlins because y'all want to clean the red, but I done did that a couple years ago. I was cleaning chitlins and up all night, the red buckets and all that. Yes, I'm not doing that now. Steve's chitlins I like, but you have to still cook them because I like my chitlins to be soft, and when you put it in your mouth, it's whoo, I don't want no chewy chitlins, okay? So they chitlins don't be cooked enough for me. They do be clean though, because there are some brands the chitlins don't be clean enough for me, and I'm picky about my chitlins, okay? So unless they done changed, because I ain't had none in a while, I'm doing these, but I am adding my own stuff to it because they don't be seasoned well neither. So let me show y'all what I'm doing. Let's go ahead and get this chitlin recipe together, y'all. All right, y'all, you can't see me that good, but it's all right. Tripod don't want to act right, but we're gonna get it together, ain't we? We're gonna get it together, y'all. We're gonna get it right on together. All right, so these are the chitlins that I'm talking about that I use. Like I said, I'm very picky about my chitlins, so I'm gonna go ahead and it say that they cooked pork chitlins, that they're already cooked. But like I said, they're not cooked enough for me. So one thing about it, I ain't gotta worry about them being like raw and this, that, and another. So they are frozen. So I've had them sitting out for maybe about an hour since I bought them. I bought them today. So I'm gonna go ahead, take them out in the trash, wash my hands. So y'all, it's not enough. Hold on. It's not enough. I gotta pull these on. I had my pants up here and it was the bottom of my stomach, y'all. Not a good feeling, Alright, so they in here like this. Eventually I'm gonna lay them over on the side. But what I'm about to put in mine, it's not enough. These are $16.99 for this little bit. Look at it. Look at it. For that. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna chop it, because I tried not to use like the store-bought garlic powder and stuff no more. Because they be adding extra in it. I feel like citric acid and stuff that don't agree with me. So yeah, so all I'm doing is finna chop up this garlic. You can chop it up as thin as you want it. You can buy minced garlic if you want. I got minced garlic, I got garlic powder, but I bought that stuff before I decided to stop using it. I still use it, but just I use it when I don't have a choice. Okay, so garlic is strong, it can be overpowering, so you have to put the amount in it that you want. I like to taste my food, like I done told y'all plenty of times. I don't like for all my food to taste the same, because you're using so much of the same seasonings and stuff. Oh, that's a darkness. My kitchen lighting is not the best, y'all. I don't know why it's so dark. That's a little better. It's like the sun. Hopefully I can lighten it up when I'm I did not want to do that. Oh yes I did. Yes I did. Because they cook. I'm thinking about something else. Alright. So onions. I love onions. Now I'm gonna tell you, if these chitlins was raw, that's why I said, oh, I didn't want to do that. Yes I did. If these chitlins, let me see if I can pull y'all. Maybe this way. Nope. If the camera sits this way, Is it better lighting? I'll just have to deal with that when I edit this video, I guess. If they was raw chitlins, then I would like boil mine, pour the water off, boil mine, pour the water off, and then I would add my seasonings and stuff to it. But since these are already supposed to be cooked and done, I'm gonna do it differently. I'm just gonna add it in there. I love onions, so I am gonna add the whole onion to it. Yes, I have GERD, y'all, but I have noticed if I eat pretty much right, when I eat stuff like this in moderation, it don't bother me. And I have something that also called silent reflux, so sometimes I still take a pill, but I try not to take reflux medication because I try to eat healthy. But like I said, don't nobody be like, oh, that's not healthy, that's a lot of pork and all that. You gotta know my channel to know I don't eat like that. Okay, but I am a Mississippi girl, born and raised, okay? And I know what I grew up eating. And sometimes I want it and I ain't had it in a long time. And I want it. It's the end of the year. I done been through so much. It's time for me to have a little bit of something, like dang. So I'm putting some red bell pepper because I like color. Y'all know I like colors. I like colors. And bell peppers are good for you. Alright. And I just have to cook these to my perfection. Like I say, these chitlins are already done. So I'm just gonna add this off up in there. So I'm gonna finish. I can talk to y'all. Y'all tell me if y'all eat chitlins, for one. I know a lot of people don't, and that is fine, whatever the reason being, or you may not like it, that is fine. But this is me and I like it. So but I don't eat it. Like I said, man, the last time I had chitlins, oh man, I ain't had chitlins in over 10 years. Yeah, that's how long. I say probably, no, let me see. I say probably 7 years. I ain't had chitlins. So y'all, one thing about me, you can take me out of Mississippi, but you can't take the Mississippi out of me. I don't change because I'm not there. You know, I don't change. I think that's why a lot of people have an issue, because I don't change who I am. And Mississippi take a lot of discredit, you know, just because we Mississippians. I'm Mississippians. Well, I'm a Mississippian. We take a lot of discredit. I learned that once I got out of Mississippi. Sure, I learned that. Y'all know Oronde is a New Yorker. New York City boy. So there's a big difference with us right there. Just with that. But other people have voiced their opinions like it wasn't nothing. Alright, y'all. Let me add water to this. Alright, y'all. So that's the way it looks. And I'm about to put this lid on it. And I'll bring y'all back when they get the rolling. I may add a little vinegar. I haven't decided. But I'll let y'all know. Y'all will see the whole process. Alright, y'all, so these chitlins is talking right now. They talking right now. You hear me? They having a conversation. Oh, that's hot. See what I mean? See, they ain't done. When they say they cook to, I guess, their likings. They're not cooked to my likings. Okay, so I need to add some more water to this. Alright, I need to add some more water to it, so let me go and do that. Alright, y'all, adding more water. Now the reason why I added more water is because now that it's broke up, I can tell that they're gonna be cooking a little bit. What I'm about to add now is just some paprika, because it just pretty much gives it that red color that I like. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna let this continue to boil and cook. Now I could have put my veggies, my onions and stuff in there right when I knew they was cooked almost to my likings, because you know they're gonna be cooked, but that's fine. I don't mind it to be cooked almost down to, you know, nothing, because you still gonna taste it. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna let them go ahead and cook even more, y'all. They got some cooking to do, cause I can tell they tough. You know, everybody cook them. When you get them pre-cooked, you gotta cook them the way you like them. Okay, I like mine soft. All right, y'all, so here go my chitlins. Oh yeah, they getting there. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I don't know if you can see, but the water is getting low. I'm gonna add a little bit more water, and that should take them all in. All right, y'all, I'm on a roll today. All right, so I just got through eating something. Now I'm about to eat something else. So these are the chitlins. They still cooking, y'all, but I want to go ahead and taste them. All right, see how far along they are or whatnot. So I'm gonna put the hot sauce. All right, and they hot. It just came out. So there we go. All right. Woo, indigestion pill tonight and water. Yeah, they still gotta cook a little longer. That's what it be when you get them pre-cooked. They don't be, but they done. They just not to my liking. You have to cook them to your liking. Oh yeah, they almost there though. They almost there. Oh no. I missed y'all. Yeah. I don't even know how to say them. Lord. I gotta be good with the way I eat, so I can eat this in moderation. Yeah, it's almost there. A little bit too, just a little bit more, and it won't be as that chewy. All right. Taste some of that onion. Yeah. I put them done. Just almost to my liking. The kids over here chow down. Alright, y'all. Yeah. I love it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did. Like I say, this is the end of the year. Today the 25th, so we almost out of 2023, guys. Will everything go back to, you know, clean eating and stuff like this? So y'all, I'm enjoying myself. I'm gonna end it right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all hit the notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If it's your one, y'all be safe, okay? Mwah. Bye.